Why, hello there. Since I started to make my day in the life of a marketing manager videos, a lot of you have told me that you've come to my channel or you've discovered my content because you are actually pursuing a career in marketing as well, or you're studying marketing and business in school because it might be something that you want to do. I love that I've been able to share my insights and what I do with you guys so far and that you guys have been enjoying it. So today I thought I would make another video related to my job as a marketing manager in the software world. Well, no, actually just as a marketing manager in general. In the couple of years that I've been in my career so far, I have tried a ton, and I really do mean a ton, of tools in kind of all aspects of marketing and running a business, from market research to social media scheduling to project management to even like accounting and invoicing, productivity, organization, email marketing, you name it. I've probably tried at least some of it because there's truly a lot of different tools out there. I've definitely spent a lot of time in the last couple of years going from tool to tool and trying to find the best tools and the best solutions that make my job easier, but also make my work processes at my company easier and better for everyone. So today I wanted to share with you guys 5 of my favorite tools that I've tried so far, and they kind of touch different areas of my job, which I will explain later. But hopefully these are helpful for you for when you start your career, or even if you're in your career and you're looking for a useful tool in a specific area. But yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into it. Also, how indicative of my work from home mindset is this outfit? Like, I've got like my dress shirt on, and then I've got on like blue knits bicycle shorts because this is it. This is work from home. This is the work from home vibe. Okay, I'm ready. The first tool that I wanted to mention, which also is actually the sponsor of this portion of the video, is Later. When Later reached out to me asking if I wanted to partner, I literally could not say no because I have been using their tool for the past 3 or 4 years. Paid for those subscriptions all by myself. I'm gonna show you inside one of my clients' accounts, which, by the way, pay for that subscription all by myself. But genuinely, it is one of the best social media scheduling tools that I have tried. Later is this amazing social media scheduling and planning tool, but that is focused on Instagram marketing. It does allow you to schedule posts for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Pinterest, I think, but it does work the best for Instagram as that is their bread and butter. I use this tool to manage all of the social accounts of my clients at Zest, as well as scheduling the posts for my 9 to 5 social. I also have used this for my own brand, Speak of the Angel as well. It's just honestly such a great tool to use for any type of social media scheduling, and I haven't been able to find something that I like better yet. I love that Later offers this preview mode, which lets you see what your feed is gonna look like, which I'm sure if you use Instagram or managing an Instagram account for a client, you know how important the overall feed aesthetic can be sometimes. So my workflow within Later is that I upload all of the photos to their media library, and then I can drag and drop whatever photos I want to schedule on what day, write the caption, make sure the image looks good. It also allows you to add a first comment, and it has a built-in link in bio tool, which is one of the best link in bio tools that I've used just across the board. So once you add a link to your post, it'll actually show your post in a grid from your link in bio, and people can click into the photo to then look at the link that is associated with that post. And then of course there's all the other typical stuff like tag location, tag people, and voila. Once you have all your posts scheduled, go to the preview section and you can actually just drag and drop posts around. Since all of those posts already have all of those other aspects filled in, like the link in bio and the caption and everything, all you have to do is drag the photos around to make sure your feed is looking good, and then you're pretty much good to go. Like I said, it's literally one of the easiest, most intuitive social media scheduling tools that I've tried so far, and I definitely highly recommend recommend it. All right, hopping back down here as editing angel real quick to tell you guys that I actually have an amazing discount code for you guys for later. I do have a coupon code as well as a link in the description box for you guys so that you guys can try their growth plan for free for an entire month. This is a great option for any of you who are looking just to try it out and seeing if it fits for what your needs are. I'm honestly really excited for you guys to try this tool. It's definitely one of the best that I have used, so yeah. Thank you later for the code. The next tool that I want to talk about is Figma. And I know a lot of you, if you are designers, if you're a creative, you will know the tool Figma already. I used to be a die-hard Photoshop and Illustrator and InDesign girl, which I will say I still am because they all have very specific use cases that I love them for, but I live in Figma now. Whether it's doing web design, whether it's doing social media design, whether it's doing, I don't know, software design, I truly live and breathe within Figma now for so many things. Figma is this collaborative design tool that's, I believe, built for kind of like UI, UX designers. However, it honestly works great for so many things. I recently introduced it to one of my friends because she was a diehard Canva user, and don't get me wrong, Canva is great. But if you want to take your designs to the next level, Figma is it. It really is the easiest drag and drop design software that I have used. You wouldn't expect to use it for social media or like email design, but it honestly works great for all of those things. I use it to design all of the graphic posts that we post for our clients, as well as just to plan the feed. So once I have those graphic posts designed, I can just quickly create a grid, drag and drop the photos that I want to use within that grid, and you can easily move things around. You can add graphics, you can change colors. It makes it so incredibly simple to plan a feed, for example, before you take it into later and schedule it. Not to mention, there are tons and tons of plugins that have been created for Figma as well to really turbocharge your design process. And they also have this amazing community of designers that kind of put their work out there for you to use. So like product mockups, device mockups. There's so many different things for you to borrow and use within your own design. And the best thing about it is that it's free, you guys. It's free. It's so free, it hurts. Another big aspect of my job is email marketing. I am by no means an email marketing expert. I just have to manage the communications from our company out to our users. But I have tried a couple of the options out there, both at work at my 9-to-5 and for my own small businesses. And one of the best tools that I have tried for email marketing and email automation so far is Autopilot. I actually discovered Autopilot at a conference that I was attending, I believe 2 or 3 years ago. Back then we were using MailChimp, I believe, which is great. MailChimp is awesome for anybody who's starting out in email marketing. But I remember the speaker pointing out that Autopilot is built for more than just email marketing. It's built for your sales funnels, your drip campaigns. It's built for marketing automation. That was really interesting to me at the time. If you've managed email marketing of any type before, you know it can get pretty tedious, especially when you work for a software company. There's so many different types of communication that needs to go out to your clients all the time. Autopilot makes this incredibly easy because it allows you to create different journeys and flows for all of your different campaigns. So I have ones that are triggered from like form fill outs on your site. I have ones that are triggered for when you have a new user that started using your software. And from there, the possibilities are really, truly endless. Like you can put delays between your emails. You can put other conditional variables to your emails. It's honestly just one of the best marketing automation tools for email marketing that I've used before. Oh my God, that was a mouthful. And it just makes it incredibly easy for you to manage all of that all from one platform. The fourth tool that I absolutely love is Google Optimize. Whether you are using Shopify, WordPress, you have your own like coded site, if you're using Wix, Squarespace, whatever it is that you're using for your website, I think one of the biggest challenges is to find a usable and affordable A/B testing tool. There are some really, really great A/B testing tools and multivariate testing tools out there, but typically they cost a pretty penny, which is insane because A/B testing is so crucial to making sure that your website is always being updated and functioning to its best ability, I guess. Google has this tool called Google Optimize, and it is a free tool. It is free, you guys, completely free, and it's an awesome tool for you to use to do any sort of testing on your site. So they have A/B testing, which allows you to test certain elements on your site like titles, button colors, call to action, copy. It also allows you to do multivariate testing and redirect testing, which is awesome because it allows you to build out an entirely different landing page and test the traffic between two different landing pages to see which one performs better. It integrates to your site super easily. All you have to do is add their tracking code to your header tag of your website. And the best part about it is that it connects to Google Analytics seamlessly. So all of the goals that you create within Google Analytics, you can track and see if your A/B tests or multivariate tests or redirect tests are meeting those specific goals. And the fact that it's free is just chef's kiss, like so good. So if you're starting out with A/B testing, I highly, highly recommend it, as you're pretty much not gonna find a better option out there that is free. The last tool that I want to mention is Bitly. I'm sure you guys have seen Bitly links all across the internet, but essentially Bitly is a link shortening tool that allows you to track how many clicks have gone to that link. It gives you other analytics and reporting insights as well. They do have a free version and there's a paid version, and I think the difference is that the free version just has either less reporting or I think there's a limit of links. But either way, it is great for all sorts of things in marketing, like for tracking your marketing campaigns. It's good to see how many clicks, for example, like you're gonna get from links that I put in this YouTube video. You can use it in your social media campaigns. You can use it on your blog posts to track how many people are clicking your call to action to your software. There's just endless options to using Bitly. I will say though, if you are using Google Analytics pretty deeply for your website or campaign analytics, another great tool is actually Google's URL Builder itself. But I know not everybody is super deep into Google Analytics, and if you're just looking for a simple link tracking tool, Bitly is it. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it was helpful. Let me know if you guys want to know any more about the tools that I mentioned in today's video, or let me know if you want me to do more of these videos where I talk about useful tools that I use in my job, because I do really have so many more. I didn't want to bombard this video with like 10 or 20 tools, so I started with 5 of my favorites. But yeah, there are so many more tools out there that I have used and loved, and I would love to share those with you guys to help you guys out. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, because I will be doing more helpful videos on marketing, just like career building and job finding. And I also make videos on organization and productivity as well. I also do live stream now, so if you guys want to ask me questions or just come and chat with me live, follow me on Twitch. I have that down there. I have a Discord channel for my lovely communities, and I'm pretty active on that as well, so that link will be in the description box below. And of course, if you want to support me more as a creator, I do have a Buy Me a Coffee link in the description. Thank you to everybody who's already bought me a coffee. It's literally my fuel. I'm on my computer all day and the coffee definitely helps. So thank you. If you want to find any of my social links, those are down below. So many links down there. There's also discount codes down there. The links to all the software that I talked about today down there. So please go and check it out. All right. That is everything. I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!